Hello class 10. Today I am going to give you question and answer from chapter 1 and 2 that carries 4 marks. Okay. 4 or 3. 3 into 4. 4 question answer group D मा तर marks 3 marks को. Okay. So पहिले माध्यमिकमा आएको क्वेशनहरू 17, 18, 19 मा आएको क्वेशनको आन्सर म दिँदैछु यो च्याप्टरबाट 3 मार्क्सको. Number 1, state 3 difference between self dunes and the Barkhan. Okay, so make a column Barkhan and self dunes. Barkhan, number 1, the term Barkhan comes from the Turkish word Barkhan meaning sand mountain. Okay. On the other hand, the term safe comes from the Arabian word sheaf meaning a straight shoot. Number 2, formed like a curve, diagonal or perpendicular to wind direction, whereas shift dunes formed like straight line parallel to the wind direction. And number 3, they are crescent-shaped dunes. The windward side is convex and the leeward side is concave. Okay, windward side is convex and the leeward side is concave. Whereas number 3, they are narrow. Swept dunes are narrow and straight and look like parallel ridge. Okay. So, next question, explain why delta is formed at the mouth of a river. Question from 2018. Okay. Answer, formation of delta. Velocity of river is almost near where it meets with the sea. Thus, the heaviest amount of deposition occur here. The main channel is broken into numerous distributaries as more and more depositions takes place. The region acquires a triangular shape and look like the Greek letter delta, hence the name. Delta develop under the following condition. Number 1, the seabed narrow, the mouth of the river is very shallow. Number 2, slope is navigable. Number 3, tidal action is low. Number 4, huge amount of bed load. Okay. Then the next question which comes in 2017. Why is wind action dominant in desert region? Although wind blows over the whole of the earth, it acts in predominant in arid region. This is because number 1, no obstacles in wind direction. In desert region, due to lack of rainfall, there is no or very less vegetation cover. Thus, the wind blows on unhindered with high speed. Number 2, loose and the exposed soil. Lack of the vegetation makes the soil loose and exposed to the wind action. Number 3, a high diurnal range of temperature. Great difference between the day and night temperature cause rocks to crack and break down to contraction and expansion. This makes the work of the wind easier. Okay. And from next chapter, from the chapter atmosphere, 3 marks को प्रश्न 19, 18 र 17 मा आएको. Briefly explain any 3 factors to identify the Mediterranean climate in temperate rainfall graph. Okay, 3 factors to identify the Mediterranean climate in the temperate rainfall graph. यो तिमीहरुलाई क्लास 12, 11 मा प्र्याक्टिकलमा पनि आउन सक्छ. The annual temperature, average annual temperature is minus 30 degree to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Annual range of temperature is minus 6 degree to minus 16 degree. Average summer temperature is annual temperature is 13 degree to 18 degree, okay, minus. Then the range of temperature is minus 60 degree to 16 degree, and the summer temperature is minus 14 degree to minus 22 degrees Celsius. Average winter temperature is 10 degree to 14 degrees Celsius. Number 2, average annual rainfall is 35 to 75 centimeter. खुबै कम्ती पानी पर्छ. Number 3, identification of hemisphere if the temperature is higher from May to August. From May to August, the station belongs to the northern hemisphere. If the temperature is higher from November to February, the station belongs to the southern hemisphere. Okay. Then the next question: why does temperature decrease with the increases of altitude in troposphere? Atmospheric temperature decreases with increase in altitude for the following reason. Insolation first heat up the Earth's surface. This heat is radiated into the atmosphere, gradually heating the layers from bottom to top. And number 2, the upper layers of the atmosphere are less denser and can rapidly radiate out heat and get cooled. Number 3, pressure is less in the upper levels of the air, hence their heat's absorbing capacity is also less. Then the next question, which comes in 2017 mathematics examination, discuss the difference between the sea breeze and the land breeze. The differences between sea breeze and land breeze. One column is there. In the left hand side it is sea breeze, and in the right hand side it is land breeze. Sea breeze, it blows during the daytime. It blows from sea towards the land. It happens due to unequal heating of land and sea. Whereas land breeze, it blows during the night time. It blows from land towards the sea. It happens due to unequal rates of radiating heat by land and sea. Okay, so these are the answer. अब यो दुईटा च्याप्टरको 3 मार्क्सको प्रश्न मैले तिमीहरूलाई दिए, 4-4 वटा गरिकन यो तिमीहरू खातामा सार्छौ अनि याद गर्नेछौ. ओके.